Hello guys, my name is Jack and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll bring you something about an important particle that ties our use in this polite particle, kap and ka. Kap and ka are the magic words that ties always at the end of almost every sentences. Basically, Thai language has sentence particles and we can divide them into three groups: question particles, polite particles, and mood particles. So these particles can indicate of feeling. It's like adding kap and ka to the end of your sentence to indicate of politeness and to soften the sentence and also show respect to the listener. Kap and ka are in a part of polite particle. Males always use kap and ka is used by female. And they are well known among Thai people as tone of voice, or in Thai is หางเสียง หางเสียง หาง tail, and เสียง voice is like a tail of voice. Actually, the right sound of kap is ครับ ครับ You can hear the r sound. I'll pronounce the Creole one for you again. ครับ ครับ So it's difficult, isn't it? Yeah, we find that it's difficult and annoying to say like this all the time. Then we can drop the r sound and say just kap, kap. Easier, but it's informal. And for female is ka, ka. When I was young, my mom always keeps telling me that I should speak politely with adults by adding tones of voice or หางเสียง every time and use it to be familiar. She just wanted me to be a lovable kid with speaking politely. Even at the school, that teacher teaches students to add หางเสียง when speaking with adults. Moreover, you can commonly use it for talking with everyone. For example, teachers, staff in the shops or restaurants, or the strangers that you have just met. And whoever. It doesn't matter that he or she is older or younger than you, because it's better to keep speaking politely. Well, I have got an example. If I want to ask, what's this? In Thai is นี่คืออะไร นี่คืออะไร If I speak without หางเสียง or tone of voice, it's gonna be นี่คืออะไร The feeling like, what's this? But I wanna ask my mom or the teacher or the vendor or the market the same question but adding หางเสียง นี่คืออะไรครับ นี่คืออะไรครับ The sound is much more polite and softer. It's like, could you please tell me what's this called? In terms of speaking with close friends, I don't usually use clap with them because we are too close. So I use all the mood particles. The mood particle that I use is วะ วะ นี่คืออะไรวะ 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 วะ is an impolite and informal particle. We can use it to indicate rudeness and intimacy with friends of equal status. It seems like, hey dude, what's this? We literally don't use วะ with adults or people that we're not close with. You know, when we speak without sentence particles, the statement often sound incomplete, abrupt, or even impolite. That's why Thai language always adds particle to indicate feeling. When do you have to add or leave out of the polite particle? Is it necessary to add into every single sentences? Well, basically, it doesn't have fixed rule to define when to add or leave it out. If you ask me, as a Thai native speaker, I would recommend you to add kap or ka into every sentence and use it until you get familiar with and be confident, and you will be able to use it naturally like Thai people for sure. In addition, kap and ka are not the only polite particle, but they also can be a polite way to answer yes to a question too. When they are used alone in response to the statement, they literally don't mean anything except to signify that you have heard and understood the statement, that you're still listening. For example, when I'm talking on the phone, I say just ครับ 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 to acknowledge like, yeah, I got it. Or probably your honey or someone is calling you. So you can reply ครับ for male and ค่ะ if you're female. The sound just a little bit long. It's like ครับ ค่ะ It means like, okay, I'm going. Basically, in speaking and writing terms, they are pretty different. We use a lot of ครับ and ค่ะ when speaking, but not many ครับ and ค่ะ for formal writing because we already use polite language for writing. That is it. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you have questions, recommendations, or any kind of stuff you want to know, I encourage you to write the comment below. I would love to help you with improving your Thai language skill. And if you're interested to learn Thai for beginners, it is an online course. You can click the link below and check it out. I'll see you soon for another lesson. สวัสดีครับ